Welcome to WordPress. I thought Gutenberg was boring. I prefer bare bones WordPress with full freedom and control. But it seems like people are enjoying the Gutenberg editor. So I guess it's great for developers and non-developers. But anyways, here is the question. What is group block in Gutenberg WordPress? In WordPress, the group block lets you combine multiple blocks into one container. This makes it easy to move and manage them as a single unit. It's especially useful when the related content needs to be kept together and you want to copy or reposition several blocks at once. Okay, to use it, click plus icon, search group, click group icon, and from here you can choose a layout for group blocks. Single group, row that arranges blocks horizontally, stack that arranges blocks vertically, or grid that arranges blocks in a grid. I will select single group layout and then I'll fill it with individual blocks. You can group together several paragraphs and add a related image and caption. Or you could create a section by grouping together a heading and several bullet points. For example, let's create a heading. And inside that group, I'm adding another block. This time I will create a paragraph. This is our paragraph. Now this is our group. To see it, I'll click document overview icon. And here we have our group. Inside we have got a heading and a paragraph. Let's duplicate this group. And here we have it, two groups. We can rename them. Change the text. Okay, so this is group 1 and this is group 2. We can rearrange them and move whole unit anywhere we want. So this is a group block containing multiple blocks of content inside. We can also use group blocks to create reusable blocks. This allows us to quickly add frequently used content to our posts. For example, right-click, add this group, and click Create Pattern. Name the pattern and click Add. Now here is our pattern. Now we can add this pattern anywhere. Pattern 1, and here is the pattern 1, just copied. So group block is useful. It helps in building related blocks of content together to organize content in a better way. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.